Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Sonata gas tank. Finding the fuel door release is your first step. Many Sonatas feature a small lever on the driver's side floorboard, often marked with a gas pump icon. Alternatively, some models have a dedicated button located near the steering wheel or on the dashboard. Once you've identified it, the process is quite simple. Now that you've found the release, it's time to activate it. If your Sonata has a lever, give it a firm pull upwards. You should hear a soft click as the fuel door unlatches. For models with a button, a single press is all it takes. The fuel door will then pop open slightly, ready for you to access the fuel cap. With the fuel door unlatched, gently push it open all the way. You'll now see the fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise. Keep turning until it's completely loose and you can lift it off. Most Hyundai Sonatas have a convenient holder on the inside of the fuel door where you can hang the cap while you refuel. Now you're ready to refuel your vehicle. Insert the fuel nozzle into the tank opening and fill up as needed. Once finished, replace the fuel cap by turning it clockwise. Listen for at least one click to confirm it's properly sealed. Finally, push the fuel door firmly shut until it clicks and latches securely in place. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.